Welcome, everyone. In this video, we will see how you can use DataSnipper to perform amortization testing procedures. In the case of amortization testing, we'll be checking the information in the loan agreement and addendum and extracting it to document our review. Then we'll reconcile the payment schedule to the bank statement to ensure payments are made. This is a very time-consuming manual task as it requires a thorough inspecting on a long loan agreement as well as the bank statements. As it is a significant part of our audit, it is a quite recurring item in our testing. For our work steps, we'd first need to extract the relevant information from the loan agreement, such as capital amount, initiation date, and interest amount using the Snips. Then recalculate our amortization amounts with the supporting evidence. In this Excel workbook, we have a table to document our review, as well as a table to recalculate our amortization. We have already imported our relevant documents. Start by using DataSnipper to extract the necessary data from the agreement. We need to look for information such as capital amount, interest terms, and repayment terms. With a validation snip to verify if the sign-offs were made properly by the client and the counterparties. Ensure that the information in the addendum is also extracted as needed and connected to the snips you've already made. Once your review of the agreement is complete, use the Smart Search feature to look up the dates in the bank statement and extract the respective payments made on said dates. With the pre-configured formulas in Excel, we can easily calculate the amortization expense and reconcile it to the trial balance. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out our knowledge base to learn more. Happy snipping!